Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question: what is the world record in the javelin throw for men? 90.30 meter, 94.40 meter, 98.48 meter, 99.58 meter. The right answer is 98.48 meter. This record win Jan Zelezny in 1996. Question: in the javelin throw, the weight of javelin throw for men is 500 gram, 600 gram, 700 gram, and 800 gram. The right answer is 800 gram. In the javelin throw, the weight of javelin throw for women is 500 gram, 600 gram, 700 gram, 800 gram. The right answer is 600 gram. Question: in the javelin throw, the minimum length of the runway should be 30 meter, 35 meter, 40 meter, 45 meter. The right answer is 30 meter. Question: in the javelin throw, the width of runway should be 4 meter, 4.5 meter, 8 meter, 8.5 meter. The right answer is 4 meter. Question: parts of the javelin throw are 2 parts, 3, 4 parts, 7 parts. The right answer is 3 parts. The minimum length of the javelin throw for men should be 2.50 meter, 2.60 meter, 2.70 meter, 2.80 meter. The right answer is 2.60 meter. The maximum length of the javelin throw for men should be 2.50 meter, 2.60 meter, 2.70 meter, 2.80 meter. The right answer is 2.70 meter. Weight of metal head of javelin throw is 50 gram, 60 gram, 70 gram, 80 gram. The right answer is 80 gram. The maximum length of the javelin throw for women should be 2.30 meter, 2.40 meter, 2.50 meter, 2.60 meter. The right answer is 2.30 meter. In javelin throw, the angle of the sector shall be 28 degree, 29 degree, 30 degree, 31 degree. The right answer is 28 degree. Arshad Nadeem javelin throw with an Olympic record throw of 92.94 meter, 92.95 meter, 92.96 meter, 92.97 meter. The right answer is 92.97 meter. Thursday 8 August in Paris. Question: total sports in Olympic: 28, 29, 30, 32. The right answer is 32.